How to know if someone is online or not in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can know if someone is online or not in WhatsApp. So let us get started. First of all, open up your WhatsApp. After you open it up, head over to your settings. After you head over to your settings, scroll down till you see privacy. Tap on privacy and there you will see last seen and online. Tap on it and this is basically like your who can see when you're online. This is your activity status. So under who can see when I'm online, simply tap on everyone. Now if you have shared your information, that means that you will be able to see other people's information too. As you can see right here, it says if you don't share your last seen and online, you won't be able to see other people's last seen and online. So make sure that your last seen is on everyone too. And after you do that, you can head back to your chat section and now see if someone is online or not by simply heading over to your text DMs. Now on the top right below the username, you will see last seen yesterday at something point. That means that the person is not online. Now the other way you can know is by simply texting them. Text them a message, and if there is a single tick, that means that they are not online. But if there is a double tick, that means they're online and they have not seen the message yet. So if you long press on it, or if you just swipe right on it, you should be able to see read and delivered. The message should be delivered if they are online. So yeah, that is how you can know if someone is online or not in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.